Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to connect TapSwap to Tonkeeper wallet app. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already downloaded the Tonkeeper wallet app and also install the Telegram app on your phone. Once you download the app, launch the Tonkeeper wallet app first. After you are in the app, set up an account in Tonkeeper wallet. You can easily create your new account if you don't have any. Once you do this, now head over to Telegram app, launch the Telegram. Once you are in Telegram, if you haven't added TapSwap, here you can see the search icon at the top right corner, tap on it. Now search for TapSwap. Select the TapSwap bot at the top of the list, tap on it. Now you need to start this TapSwap website. Here you can see the Start Now option, select that. It will open the TapSwap website on your Telegram. Next up, in order to connect TapSwap to Tonkeeper, here you can see the Connect Wallet option. Tap on it. Now it will prompt you to connect your wallet. You can see the list of wallets over here. Select Tonkeeper from the list. Now it will take you to your Tonkeeper wallet app. It would confirm if you really want to connect TapSwap to your Tonkeeper wallet app. You can select Connect Wallet. Provide your passcode or your fingerprint. And there you go. You've successfully connected TapSwap to your Tonkeeper wallet app. It's a very simple process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.